So today we are going to discuss about the multiple DES. So the multiple DES came into existence because of the certain disadvantages in the DES. Even after the DES having the strength of having 56-bit key and not vulnerable for the brute force attack, still there was certain disadvantages in the round functions, like whenever you are using the same key for the S boxes, then the output may occur some. So there are certain weaknesses in the round function which may lead to the multiple DES. So in that we are going to discuss about the triple DES. So triple DES is a clear replacement of DES and was needed because of the theoretical attacks that can break it. So demonstrated that the DES having the certain search key attacks. So the AES algorithm came into the existence. So advanced encryption standard was the cipher, which was alternative for the DES. So we need to have the this because of this vulnerabilities of the searching attacks, the multiple DES came into the existence. So we have chosen the multiple triple DES. Chosen form was selected. Why not? Why only triple DES was selected? Why not the double DES was not selected? Because whenever you observe the double DES, in the double DES we are going to take the plain text. That plain text is encrypted with the key 1, and we are going to encrypt with the key 2, and at the last we are going to get the ciphertext. As you know, in the DES algorithm, when we are applying the single key of 56 bit, similarly we are going to apply the 256 bit in the double DES. So encrypting is done in the two times. So the plain text is being taken, we are encrypting the key with the key 1, then again we are encrypting with the key 2. At the decryption end also, we are going to decrypt using the first K2, then we are going to decrypt by the K1 to get the plain text. So in the diagram also you can observe that we can, whenever the plain text is being applied and we are using the K1 to encrypt the data, we are going to get an intermediate ciphertext values. Then we are going to take the encrypted value and the key value, and we are going to get the ciphertext. At the decryption end also we are going to take the cipher values, then we are going to decrypt using the K2, we are going to get the intermediate ciphertext plain text value, then we are applying the decryption with the K1 to get the plain text values. So like this we are going to process. But there is a certain disadvantage using the double DES because they have found that a meet in middle attack was found. So for that reason, what they did is what is meant by meet in middle attack. So when you observe that when you are encrypting the plain text with the key 1, we are going to get the intermediate value as x. Similarly, at the end of the, when you are decrypting, when the key 2 is being applied, then also you are getting the intermediate value as x as a plain text. Now, it is easy for the attacker to know that particular x value if at all he reveals that particular 56 bit. So he need not break down all the data that is related to the 56 into 2, that is 112 bits, but if he know only 56 bit of data, then 56 bit of key, then he easily can uh, get the whatever the data either in the form of a what is the ciphertext or in the form of a plain text. So that was the disadvantage using the double DES. So for that reason they have gone to the triple DES. So here the working whenever the ciphertext is twice, since x is equal to encryption of the key 1 using the plain text and the decryption of k2 using the ciphertext. Attacking by the encrypting P with all keys and store, then decrypt the C with keys and match the X value can show up to, that is, we can find using the 2 power 56 steps. So which is easy for the attacker to know. So for that reason we use the triple DES. So in triple DES we can use 2 keys or you can use 3 keys. So here using of 2 keys. So here we are going to use the encryption of 3 times. So how we are going to encrypt? We are taking the plain text, then we are encrypting with the key 1, then we are decrypting with the key 2 and again encrypting one with the key 1. Since here we are using only 2 keys, we have the sequence, that is we need to do is encryption, then do the decryption, then do the encryption to get the ciphertext. To get a plain text, what you are going to apply? You are going to apply the ciphertext with the decryption of the K1, then encryption of the K2 and decryption of K1. If at all K1 is equal to K2, then this becomes the similar to the single DES. For that reason, they have applied, that is the standards of the ANSI and ISO have maintained, that is it is not practically attacked, but if at all the two keys are equal, then it becomes single DES. For that reason, they have gone for an triple DES where the three keys are being used. In that, you can see that the plain text is being applied with the K1. Then we are going to the decryption of that particular DES by applying the K2. Then we are going to apply the K3 to get the ciphertext. The reverse of it, you are going to get the decryption and you are going to get the plain text. So although there are no practical attacks on the two key triple DES, but they have some indications. So can we use the triple DES with 3 key to avoid even these? So for that reason they have gone for the 3 keys and have been adopted by some internet application, for example, that is PGP and MIME. Thank you.